Very heavy. I was 222 pounds.
Let's be honest, being fat is no fun.
I've weighed as much as 340 pounds before.
The last 20 years I have been obese.
It can make you sad.
I was very depressed because of my weight.
I was struggling, just trying to get by, trying to feel good.
It can make you lonely.
People don't realize how much, different they treat folks that are very much obese.
It can make you sick.
My cholesterol and my blood pressure and my sugar were all going up to the point where they were going to have to start treating it.
It can keep you from being the person you want to be.
I'm a go, go, go person. And you can't go, go, go when you're walking around with 200 extra pounds on your body.
Diets that leave you constantly hungry and exhausted are practically guaranteed to decrease your muscle mass, which lowers your metabolism. That can lead to weight gain, which leads to yet another diet. It's a vicious cycle.
Being hungry to me is not appealing. I don't like pain, I don't like hunger, I don't like being tired.
I've been on every weight loss plan there is.
The diet cycle just never ended for me.
I'm either going to be fat or I'm going to be miserable.
With Cinch, you don't have to choose between pounds and the purgatory of other diets. Cinch is a healthy, tasty, proven program scientifically designed to help you keep the muscle you have, burn the fat you don't need, and lose the inches you don't want. And feel great while you're doing it.
When I started Cinch, I felt good, I felt energized.
I really felt a big difference and could feel the weight coming off.
Things just started getting a little loose and then a little bit looser, and now things are just literally, I can't even hold them up, the pants that I wore before.
I started off at about 195 pounds and dropped down to 135 pounds.
I know I've lost at least over 120 pounds.
In the past 5 months, I've lost about 20 inches.
In 5 months, I had lost 54 pounds.
Overall, I lost 90 pounds in 5 months.
I didn't start Cinch to look good. I started Cinch to get healthy, and I did.
I'm no longer considered diabetic, nor do I have high blood pressure, and no medications.
The hardest step is to get there, to actually do it. The easiest is losing the weight.
We're so sure that Cinch is going to work that it comes with the same 100% money-back guarantee as our other nutritional products. And when people begin noticing the change in you, you might find that you're not just losing inches, you're building a business.
I think the best way to share Cinch with people is to cinch yourself. And you become a walking billboard for the products.
If you're serious about losing weight, then why not have this earnings opportunity? It only takes 1 or 2 referrals and it's paid for itself.
People they came to me and said, what are you doing? I want it. Whatever it is, I want it.
We can't understand why everybody's not doing this and building a huge business.
Not only do I have my own business now, but I'm out running and weightlifting and playing golf.
I felt very sexy. I mean, I haven't felt that in years.
It's a great feeling to help friends and help family and help their friends and help their family.
It has truly changed my life.
If you want to feel better, lose the weight, lose the inches, just try it.
The new Cinch Starter Kit contains everything you need to start living a happier, healthier life. Cinch. It's the inch loss plan for the rest of us.